How to find your YouTube channel ID on your Android device. The process is very simple, so watch this video until the very end. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Now let's start. We won't be using the YouTube app on our phone because we can't find our channel ID there. What you want to do is to open the web browser on your Android device, and go to youtube.com. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and then tap on Desktop Site. This will load the desktop version of the YouTube website on our device. Now click on your YouTube profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Then click on Settings. On the left side of the screen we have a button that's called Advanced Settings, so click on it. And in here, you can see your YouTube channel ID. You can copy it, or do whatever you want with it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.